Hello, it's Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. In front of us is a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette. It's finished in its original colors, not original paint, but original colors of Daytona blue exterior with Daytona blue interior as well. And it looks black. I'll try and get it into the natural light. I won't try, I will during this video, and you'll see those colors pop, but even the side panels, interior door panels are blue as well. So it's a blue on blue car. Very good condition, no fiberglass, any sort of stress marks anywhere. All the bonding strips on the underside are present, which just indicate a no-hit body. We'll take a look at some of those common stress fracture areas on the passenger side of the car. But a fantastic driver. This one no longer has the original engine. It originally came with a 327 300 horsepower. Did come with the hardtop from the factory. It now has a 350 V8, and that is a 300 horsepower V8, and that one came out of a Chevelle, a 72 Chevelle. So note, not original on the engine, but very original car. We've got a lot of the date codes, etc., for the generator, water pump, the overflow expansion tank, etc., are all still original equipment. So a very well maintained car. Here's a close-up look on that cowl area for stress marks. Same back here. So great driver, great ownership. The records do stretch out all the way to 1972. It's unknown who had it from 64 to 72, but then there was an owner 72 to 77, and then the longest one, as I wrote about in the write-up, 78 to 2014, and then it came out here to Idaho, and at that point a lot of work was done on it, and most of that was front end. So wheels balanced, shocks, brakes, bushings, ball joints, clutch was replaced as well. It's got a new radiator and a new battery just last year. So an absolute driver. Starts up super easy. Take a look at this interior. And again, there's some of those records. Those are all on file. The owners and then the service records are all right in there. So carpet's in really nice shape. The seats are in great shape. Dash, visors, glass is good. So those are crank windows. Owner's manual, which I believe that is a reproduction on that owner's manual. The interior has been replaced. But done to factory specs. The back of the seats are all in very good condition. Storage area. Tools. Very clean, very sorted. There's that new top, and we are protecting the plastic, your rear view window. Go ahead and give it a start up, listen to it. Working headlights, we'll show those off, and then we'll go for a bit of a drive We'll take a look at the car in some natural light. So startup is very easy. Two different functions on the lights. One is to turn them on, and one is to actually raise them. All the gauges work, including the clock, quartz clock. Headlights, and I have a photo with the brights on. Your interior are the brights, and those do work. Tail lights, including the license plate light. Blinkers, and on the dash as well, your indicator works. And that is your bright light right there, the red one, indicator. There's your brights. Oh, I don't see an indicator front there. Probably a bulb, I'll have that looked at. And rear. Brights are operated with your feet. Got a bulkier camera that I just started using, so let's see how it works when we're driving a manual. I hear a little belt chatter. It's actually going into the shop for its oil change next week. I'll do the under photos. We'll have that looked at as well. Such a great feeling front end, and the brakes just stopping nice and easy. And then to reverse. Get my butt print out of there, but there's a look at the interior. A Daytona blue. It's got some metallic in it, really sparkles in the sunshine. Red line wheels. Nice gaps on the hood. Just one of those good, honest cars that's just a pleasure to be around, pleasure to drive. Very well sorted. So this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. If you want this in your garage, you can just give me a shout. I can assist with travel. Got an airport right there. Main terminals about 2 blocks from the shop, or we ship worldwide as well. I can be reached at 208-721-1973. Thanks for watching.